Hey everybody, this is Textacity and welcome to this short pointer video or short close-up for 2018. 2018 has been a very busy year for everyone actually, but as we are closing up 2018, for me, I have this to say, like 2019 will be a year of new resolutions. I'll be looking for collaborations for my videos from other content creators. So if you feel as well that you may need a collaboration with me, hit me up on the comment section and I will feel free to talk to you. Anyway, another thing, a couple of days ago I enjoyed my Christmas, and this is how my day unfolded. So check this short clip and see how I enjoyed myself. Nina uzima furaha daima, njoni kafurahini papo. Thanks for watching that video. That's how I enjoyed myself. My day rolled by and it was a fun Christmas for me. I don't know about you. Maybe you can tell me about your Christmas in the comment section again. Yes, and the third thing also, I think I'll be changing my background, because for the past couple of videos I've been making, you may notice that I didn't make a consistent background. Sometimes the video background was a building, a window, but in 2019 I think I should be making a solid and a consistent background for my videos. So for those and more to come, actually let me explain again about my channel. It's centered around tech concepts, tech rants, ranting about technology, what's good, what's rad, what's hype, and what is not just up to its level. I am also a tech vlogger, and my website or my URL is this one. I'll also link it in the description box below, so you can click it and check the contents I make there, and possibly give it a like also. I'll appreciate. Yeah, thanks for watching this short close-up for 2018. See you next time, next week, next year, next video, same, different place, different time. And let me know your comments, your thoughts about 2019, what you think will be rad, what you think will be high. And thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video and enjoy your holidays. Happy New Year, guys. Thanks.